So what is a class loader in Java? Well, class loader is actually it's part of the JRE. It dynamically loads the classes into the JRE and converts them into the bytecode, machine code using JVM. Uh, so as we know that we have first of all a JDK, which is the Java Development Kit, which has the classes and libraries to write Java applications and run the Java applications. So JRE is contained inside the JDK. So JDK has classes to write the Java code and also to run the Java code. But the classes to run the Java code are actually part of the JRE, which is contained inside the JDK. And these class loaders are part of the JRE. There are three types of class loaders: Bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, and system class loader, depending on which type of Java classes these different class loaders will load. But the first one is always the Bootstrap class loader that is called. So whenever the JVM calls the Bootstrap class loader, it's like some kind of a machine code uh, inside the JVM. So, kind of machine code inside the JVM, which kind of dynamically loads the Java classes when they are needed, and they are then, kind of stored in the memory. So that's what a class loader is. As you see here, loads classes to the JVM dynamically, and it locates libraries, etc. So it's part of the JRE, as we know that JVM is part of the JRE. It's like JRE is the container and JVM is the thing inside the JRE that is doing this uh, loading of the classes into the memory using class loaders. So the Bootstrap class loader is the parent class loader, and this extension class loader is the child class loader. So the Bootstrap class loader loads the classes from the location rt.jar. So it's not a class itself. It's just like, as I said, it's a machine code that is invoked by the JVM, and then it goes on to load this Java classes from rt.java location .jar location. And the extension class loader actually loads the extension of the core Java classes. Uh, so the core Java classes are loaded by Bootstrap class loader. So the extensions are loaded by the extension class loader from the locations lib extension location or from JRE locations. And then this third one is the system class loader. This is then the child of the extension class loader, and it loads the application level classes from the environment variables, these class paths, etc. So this is just a brief explanation of what a Java class loader is.